How's it going, guys? Today we got a little bit of an interesting task, one I've been putting off for quite a while. We got little holes here on the top. There used to be an aluminum bed rail or a truck bed cap or something on this bed when it was sitting down south. Down south being in Tennessee or Texas. I'm not quite sure where it came from the States, but it definitely wasn't Eastern Canada, or else it would just be a pile of rust. So yeah, we're going to plug those up today and cap them off, lay the hot glue gun of steel to her, aka the welder. Welcome to Hi-Ho Stable Garage. So this is what we're dealing with for the holes. 2 here, 1 here, 1 here, 2 here, another 2 there, a big one there, rust hole there, rust hole here, 1 here. So we're gonna tackle all those guys. So yeah, let's start this up. Now, a lot like Puddin's Fab Shop, Mama ain't raised no punk, and at Hi-Ho Stable Garage, our welders are jump capable. They can bridge the gap like the Confederation Bridge from New Brunswick to Prince Edward Island. So, all the little tiny ones, I would say about 1/2 inch and under, we're just gonna bridge. The 2 over there, we're gonna plate. So, let me bridge these and then I'll see you back at the plate.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Alright, so we basically got all the holes that we could plug weld with basically just the welder. Small enough holes, smaller than 1/2 inch. Whatever. Now we're on to the big guy right here. And then we just have a few at the front panel that we got to get later on. but we can't get them right now because obviously the glass is there and everything. It's too close. So what I'm thinking here, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to bring you in close. What I'm thinking here, you can kind of see the square outline. I'm going to cut this out, and then I bent up a small piece of steel. We're basically just going to cover it like so. Any little gap, we're just going to plug weld there, because that's definitely small enough I can plug weld and grind. That one's just a normal plug weld, but there's no point doing it until this patch panel's in. So I'm going to cut this up, and we're going to weld this in.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
Well, there you go, guys. For a place that used to have a hole, there's no more hole, which is pretty good. Not gonna lie. No hole here anymore. No hole here anymore. No hole there. No hole there. Come over here. No more hole. No more hole. No more hole. No more hole. There's one here, one in the center, and then one at the very end. I'm gonna clean these up when we scoot the box back, but I likely won't record that for you guys. So yeah, we basically got all the steel done that we got to replace up here. There's still a little bit of steel work to do on the bottom here, but we're going to cover that later on. Expect Roll Pen Round 3 coming to a channel near you. It's going to be this one. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video really, really soon. Alright, see ya. Bye.